Da 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 da. Hello, everybody. This is the MakeCode Arcade Advanced live stream. My name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at JWondrel on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard. What is that song you're doing?
Oh, is it the Pokemon thing when you win a battle? Is that a thing?
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay, I didn't. The whole time I was
I
singing,
knew it was something.
Yeah, I thought it was Legend of Zelda, but then I actually had to think about it, and I was like, why does it go afterwards?
It might be.
That's only like gym leaders and main rival fights, I think, right?
I have, since I was a kid, I've always loved the intense music you get in the gym leader and rival fights. I feel like it's not as good now because it used to be like really minimal, where it'd be like bum bum. Yeah, that stuff is the best.
Oh man. Okay. Well, that had nothing to do with stream today. In fact, I don't have plans for what to do today. So if you have ideas at home, please drop them in the chat right now, very quickly. So
I have an idea.
Yeah.
We should make a game about rivals.
Because you have a rival in Pokemon?
Yes.
But like, would you?
Passion.
Yeah, sure.
Just like going against each other, you know? Just the thrill of the sport.
Yeah, the thrill of the sport. Okay, so let's. Oops, I deleted my only block. That's fine. You gotta take 2 steps backwards to take 1 step forward sometimes. Am I right? Okay. Ideas. Make music. Wait. Okay, just kidding. Make MakeCode and MakeCode, which I think is very
Eric kind of already did that.
Who? Eric? Oh yeah, that's true, but he didn't do it live.
Well, I guess that's not MakeCode.
True, Tom also did.
Have a rival. I like MakeCode and MakeCode, but I feel like we would have to do that a different day because I feel like that one needs kind of a plan, you know.
I think that does need a.
Yeah, Mario Gamer, we're looking for ideas because we're not prepared today. I'll tell you what my idea was: comic game, where you just have like panels, and then you'd have like effects like kapow, you know, and then you'd be like, next panel, please. MS MakeCode making games, not trouble. Is that true? Always true. Sorry, Richard, go ahead.
That game that goes well with my rival thing.
Yeah.
You can have like a diagonal cut thing, and then it can have like one looking one way, and then the other one looking the other way, and yeah. Yeah,
I like the idea of a comic game. We could have functions that be like make, you know, the diagonal panel. You pass in 2 images, and it'll make that effect. It's kind of like Windows Movie Maker vibes or something. How about procedurally generating a level for Ollie and Otto from John Fincher? Ooh, okay. We're not working on Otto and Ollie today because Shannon's not here. So that's why we're looking for ideas.
We are going to work on that this week, but we need to wait for Shannon to be here because Ollie is Shannon's cat.
Sad. Okay. Final call for ideas. You have 1 more minute. Sad face. True. If not, we're going to do comic game / have a rival. But I don't know if that's a game, which is why we have the dots. MakeCode Slam. That's also a Richard driving game. MakeCode Slam.
I'm also going to bring that one back. Don't worry.
Oh, okay. Wait. Do you guys have interest in Spelunky game? I was posting.
We could work on that too.
Yeah. Maybe I don't have the link for it. Calculator or some tool code. Ooh, calculator. Just kidding. We might do that today. I think it's fun. Calculator. That'd be kind of cool. Oh, what if we did like a Pokedex like thing? Pokedex? I saw some. What?
I like it because it's a gachapon game, but I do want to do that.
Wait, what's the thing that has like all the tools? It's like the watch. Is it a Poke Watch?
Oh, it's called different things in different games. It's Poke Gear, I think, in Diamond and Pearl, the ones that just came out.
Oh, okay. Well,
and like maybe it's always called the Poke Gear.
Okay. Well, you know what? This is the stream of the people. So if you want to watch a tool generating stream, play A in the chat. If you want to watch a comic stream, do B in the chat. Either way, I'm going to. I don't know what the in between of these two things. Okay. Vote now, quickly. Richard does arcade only run forever and on game update loops up to 40 times. Oh, this is a question. I thought this was a statement. Richard does this. Okay, Richard, does arcade only run forever and on game update loops up to 40 times a second? Question mark.
So forever has a they will both aligned to the game update loop. So they are going to run a maximum of 30 frames per second, but if they go slower, they're going to run slower than that. So forever in our other targets is just kind of free roaming, but in the inside of arcade, because of something Joey did a while ago, it's actually aligned to the game update loop. So it's actually just like on game update, but it'll run a little bit slower and in its own thread.
Isn't MakeCode 50 FPS? Question mark?
I think it's 30 FPS.
No question mark.
I don't remember the exact pause we have in there. I think it is 30 millisecond in between each game update at least. The forever used to be 20 milliseconds. That's all I remember as an implicit pause.
Okay. Well, we're tied in. Okay, we're tied in. A. Okay, we have two things. Okay, we are not tied anymore. We're making a calculator today. Oh, pick A, B result. Sorry, Joey. Okay.
That's the robot.
Okay. What's the most important thing about a calculator? Richard.
The buttons.
It does math good.
Okay. Well, we can agree, but I choose to disagree. The most important thing about a calculator is how pretty it is. So we're gonna start off with
I said buttons.
No. But the button. Okay, fine. Wait. Okay, Richard, you get a point. Calculate.
Is this a good calculator?
No, but it is a good music making thing.
Okay, calculator. I spelled it right. Now let's make it pretty large. How large? Let's make it 140 by 90. Is that a good calculator?
Oh, you're doing a wide one?
Yeah, so then we can add extra buttons maybe? No?
I typically think of calculators as taller than they are wide, but I think wide is good too.
Yeah.
It's like one of those accountant calculators.
Yeah. We're not making like a dollar store calculator. No.
John Fincher says no floating point division errors, platinum, FDIV need not apply. Good joke. I like it. There was an Intel chip a while back that had floating point errors in the hardware, and they spent a long time trying to fix it.
Oh, I was gonna say, John, were you here that day we tried to do floating point math on stream? It was painful.
That was just us trying to remember what floating point how it worked, and
it
did not go super well.
Yeah, it was something. Anyway, DS. When it's done, will 0 out of 0 work, and what will it say? Well, we can decide that later. Okay, so we have this. This looks like a calculator, and then let's make a like a solar panel thing. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Thank you.
Do you think we should do a ticker tape thing where every time you type in a thing, like it gets printed out and like goes up a little bit,
That'd be kind of cool.
At the top?
At the top? Wait, I have... Okay.
Yeah. Because like that's how those accounted ones work. They have like a receipt, basically, that like comes out,
Richard, are you an accountant secretly?
No, I'm a developer.
How do you know so much about accountants? Kind of sus.
Because I watch TV and, generally am aware of things in pop culture.
I was going to ask Joey, but Joey, isn't your dad an accountant? Accountant adjacent?
My sister is. My dad has an accounting degree.
Oh, okay.
Richard, maybe he talks like this. Maybe your vast knowledge of accounting skills is why you were misclassed your initial weeks at Microsoft.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, when I first joined Microsoft, they put me in sales in the system for some reason. Like, half of my stuff was correct, and then half of me was like, this is a salesperson. Luckily, I had gotten to my right team, so I did get to, work on code and stuff, but it took them a while to sort it out.
Nice. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to make the screen to display the numbers. Also, guys, I haven't used Arcade in literally weeks, so this might be slow going. 20.
You should use Galen's 7-segment extension.
Oh, I've never used that before. Let's go see what that looks like. Where is it? Did I pass it already? Here, 7-segment digit display. Looks cool. Looks very calculator related. Okay, let's see. Set my counter to counter. Set my digit to digit. Digit, set digit value. Do we set the digit to be on... So that makes it a sprite. That's a digit that we could display on the display.
Yeah, so I think if you set counter to my counter,
Mm-hmm.
you do that, then you can just set the value and it should, be displayed somewhere, I think.
Oh, very largely. Can we set the
Yeah,
size?
I do believe there is a size.
Set my counter to half size? Hi,
What is
Lucas.
this?
Let's see what it looks like. Are you not going to play? Excuse me, this does not work. It needs to be a digit. Okay, sorry. Explain to me again how this is working.
Oh, it needs to take, I guess it needs to, you can just do digits as half size.
Wait, sorry. Digit as half size?
Yeah, so get rid of the counter.
Uh-huh. So we have to make a digit every time. Uh-huh.
Well, we could just make like 8 digits or something and then just write something to set the number to it.
Okay. So in that case, we don't need this display sprite. We'll just draw it straight here. Here. Hopefully that's big enough.
The Kiwi Phoenix says, one time I made a calculator on the EV3. That's cool, and it is shaped like a calculator, though it is much heavier than most calculators are. Yes, TI-83's got pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Joey, what was the coolest game you ever played on your TI-83 in class when you weren't supposed to?
I never downloaded any games on there. I was a good boy.
What? Oh my gosh. I definitely thought you would have joined me in this thing.
I would have if I thought about it, but I was just like, yeah, I'm a good boy. I got my this, and if I want to play games in class,
I think it has its own. I think it has its own position block, Vivian.
Oh, it's not a sprite.
Yeah.
Here? Set. X. I see. Cool. We'll put this here. Get this rid of this. Put this as to be in my digit 2. X is going to be the left of it, which is going to be 20. Let's just guess. Times. Plus the width of this, which I'm going to guess is 16. I don't know. And then we're going to put the index in here. And then we're also going to have to set the Y. And they're all going to be the same. Get out of here. Get out of here. Y is going to be 30.
Vivian, did you ever play any games on your TI-83?
No. I didn't use a calculator. I used my brain. That's a lie. I use a calculator sometimes. But sometimes I just put it into Wolfram Alpha and ask them to solve it for me. What games did you play, Richard?
Tetris mostly, I think.
Tetris. That's cool. Narrow. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. They're too spread out though. So instead of 16, let's make this 10. And hope. Oh, nice. We could even add more digits if we wanted to. Yeah, let's
that looks good.
Let's add 2 more digits. This is where the big bucks are. Are you gonna set
Andrea says you should make a Tetris one day. That would be very fun, I think, but we might get sued for that one.
Also,
I think Tetris is pretty litigious.
We kind of made a Tetris one time. Spinning
plates.
We
did do the spinning plates.
Yeah. No, nothing was served there.
Maybe we'll make a Puyo Puyo, though. Because I love Puyo Puyo, and I think we are less likely to get sued for that one.
Are you going to set the calculator sprite to ghost if it doesn't lag the game? Oh. Sure, we could. Let's do that.
So, a fun thing about the ghost, you only have to do that if it's something that has collisions or you want to keep it from going into a tile map. So, actually, it won't do anything in this case. But it doesn't hurt.
Doesn't hurt. Okay, now let's make some buttons. Okay, how are we going to do this? Maybe we'll do another for loop because they're numbers 0 to 9 because we like all these numbers. We're going to make a sprite for every one of these. We're going to make a button shape. One of the most important things about being a calculator. Okay, so it has to be nice looking like this. Maybe. and like this, and then maybe like this, and then like this, and then this, and then just for testing to see if it looks nice, we'll just go like this. Cool. And then let's place.
Yeah, I think that looks pretty nice, and also kind of like a mini fig head.
I don't know what that means.
But you know, the little Lego guys.
Oh, I do know what that means. Yeah, I remember trying to code a calculator and the ghost isn't necessary. Yeah, we are wasting our budget today.
Untitled Arduino's right, though, that if you have sprites that are moving around and there's a tile map, then it is a good idea to set ghost on it if it's not going to interact with anything.
Nice. Okay, so instead of just hard coding this left, we're going to, even though we hard coded the digits, we're going to add it to like the left of the calculator. Just in case we ever move it in the future. Left. And then we're gonna do, what am I doing? I need an add. It's in math. My God. Guys, how much arcade did you guys use during the break? Joey and Richard and also chat. Was it difficult to come back?
Let me think. I did do some stuff.
Yeah.
I did a little bit, not a ton. I was mostly not coding over break.
Yeah. What'd you do?
But I was working on extensions and stuff.
Ooh.
So I did some work on the story extension, which it's just some internal stuff. But the say on the story extension is going to look better soon.
Cool.
It's also going to be more memory efficient, and I'm adding a few other useful blocks to the story extension that should have been there the first time around.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
I'm going to add another add here to give it some padding. So like 3 padding. Joey, what about you?
I sat around
Nice.
and didn't do much coding. Played some games, watched TV, watched Frozen Fever, I think is what it's called, about 50 times.
What's that?
It's an 8-minute short in which
No
not
spoilers.
Frozen girl, the
Elsa.
the sister who's not the main
Elsa.
sister,
And
Anna.
Anna. It's her birthday, but Elsa's got a cold and she doesn't want to admit it.
Aww.
And it's a lot of singing. And then there's some, every time she sneezes, it makes like 50 snowmen that walk her with personalities. And they try and steal the cake. Anyway, it's a lot. And my sister and my niece loves it.
Aw, cute. Okay, these buttons are big, aren't they? Let's make them.
Well, do 0 to 8, and then I think you'll be okay.
Why 0 to 8?
Because it's because our for loops include the high number. So you can see there's 10 buttons right now.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't we want 10 buttons?
What's the 10th button?
0? 0,
You
1,
don't
2,
need
3,
0.
4.
No, you're right.
Okay, sorry. I'm like, feels like these are the numbers we do want. They're all the number. Okay, let's make the buttons smaller. Let's do 14 by 14. And then put this here. Only 2 buttons. Binary calculator. That's true. Done. Octal calculator. How about a reset button as well? Ooh, yeah. We'll add the like operation buttons second, I think. Okay, and then here instead of doing 18, we can do like 16. Guys, I'm warning you right now. It's gonna be a slow coding day. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, and let's see. Let's just shift the top by like 2. Base 5 calculator. Ooh, wait. Maybe we could do that. Maybe we could be like put a variable up here and be like, this is how many numbers. We'll do that next. We just gotta get some kind of calculator going, right? 23.
Yeah.
Let's see.
The base stuff will be easy to change once we have the like operations going, you know.
True. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to bring in the text sprite extension. And we're just going to do this to get the image of the text. Because this is how I do it.
Oh, interesting. Arduino says you can actually set the radix of the 7-segment extension, which is nifty.
I've never used this extension before. We're going to ignore it.
We should probably ignore it because it won't work that well on digits anyway.
Okay. We're going to make a text sprite and we're going to rename this secret text helper sprite smiley. Okay, and it's going to be nothing and we're going to make it invisible.
Okay, we have a question. Are we doing infix or RPN? I think we're doing infix, right?
I don't know what that means.
You know, the operators in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So
we're not
you have
doing 5, 4, 3 plus times.
yes.
Oh.
You do 0 plus 1 instead of 0 1 plus.
We're doing the normal way and not the pop 2 every time you get an operator.
Yeah.
That's basically the thing.
Did you ever have to make the different types of like postfix prefix inside of your like data structures class? I feel like they always make you do that with stacks.
It's a good stacks problem.
It is, yeah.
It's like a justifiable one where you're not like pushing it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm starting to realize that this might be is this going to be a trickier thing than we realized? I was like, calculator, that's easy. We'll just, do a big if statement, if 0 plus 0 equals, print out 0. But instead, we might actually have to do something.
It won't be that bad. We'll help you through it.
Okay. Yeah. Well, what are we going to do instead? What are we going to do? We are going to use Joey's extension, bring in an extension today, jwonderroll/arcade-sprite-util. Okay, sorry, I was reading chat. And then we'll do a draw thing to my image, and we'll do it here. And we'll draw it to the image of the sprite. Where is that? Is it in images? No, it's probably in sprites. Get the image of my sprite. Ooh, should we rename this? Let's rename this. Rename digit button. And then what are we going to draw? We're going to draw the image of the secret helper. Also, let's get rid of the smiley face. We're not smiling anymore. We're frowning.
Calculators shouldn't smile. They should be.
Yeah.
They should be straight faced the entire time, just staring straight ahead.
True. Let's fix this UI issue.
If your calculator smiled at you, you'd be suspicious about the next number it spat out. Like, is this gonna pull a prank on me in front of all the other classmates?
Yeah, true. Okay, that's not looking too bad. I would like the 0 to be at the end, so we're gonna do this by doing some math. We're gonna do
Let's worry about that later.
Richard, it's so easy, right? We're just gonna do a 9 minus index. Put that in there. Easy. Flip it around.
Sure.
Oh.
No, that'll make everything backwards.
Is it better though? No, let's worry about it later. All right, so what are we going to do next? We're going to make sure that these buttons have meaning, right? We're going to bring in...
Oh, yeah, I know how to do it. Index plus 1 mod 9. Mod 10. Index plus 1 mod 10.
Okay, let's do it. Index plus 1. Oh my gosh. Mod 10. Remainder. Oops. 10. Did I not drag out index? That's okay. Index plus 1, mod 10, throw it in here. Let's see the 0 at the bottom. Also make the calculator beep. Oh my god, I love that. Oh my gosh, the 0's at the bottom. We shifted everything over. Okay, cool. What are we going to do next? We're going to use the arcade sprite data that we just brought in. We're going to set it to a number. The digit buttons data digit to number, and then we're going to bring this over And this is not going to be confusing. We're never going to change these numbers. Except when we do. Okay. And then what are we going to do? We should make a cursor so we can press things. Every time you press a button, they should all move around so you don't want to use it. And then have a beep at a random frequency. I do like the beeping idea. I don't like the moving idea. Because that would just be... It'd be like that game where you have like the mixed up image. And you have to switch the pieces until it's the right image. It'd be that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so...
We gotta make a working calculator before we can make a broken calculator, guys.
That's one of those famous sayings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
If I had a nickel for every time I've heard that saying, I'd have a nickel.
Yep. Okay, and also I don't want to do like a finger because then you have to do the pointer. That'd be a pain. So instead, we're just gonna make like a crosshairs situation. So let's do a 7. Let's do another 7. Let's make it black with a white. No, red. No. I said a crosshairs, but there's no cross here. Cross here. Okay, sorry. We're gonna player. That's ridiculous. This is a user. It's black and the background's black. Let's change this to be white. We should make someday like a thing where the sprite is like the inverse color. Wouldn't that be cool? Of like whatever it's overlapping. Be cool.
Or you could do that with the shader extension pretty easily, actually.
Ooh. But like then it's for everything, not just like items, you know?
Yeah. Oh, that's true.
Yeah. That's okay. In the meantime,
Oh, but the shader extension does have like a Z index, so you can do it that way. I don't know. Maybe I should just add a shade image.
is this on a forever? Did I put this all on a forever? My God, why did nobody tell me? It's the same color as the OnStart, and it was on top. So I just tried that.
No, I did not realize that. You're creating a lot of sprites.
Yes, good thing we made them ghosts. Okay, now it works. Beautiful. Oh yeah, that maybe we get rid of the yellow. Make it what's gonna look good against white? Purple. That's kind of cool.
Oh, the buttons are gonna be hard to read though.
What should we do to fix this? Maybe we can make the cursor. Okay, we're choosing. This is the final color selection. We're not changing it again after this. So orange, and we'll make this pink. We got to be happy with this. It's set in stone. No PRs accepted.
Make
No
it
PRs
red.
accept. No PRs accepted. No PRs accepted. Okay. We're moving on because we have 30 minutes. Wait, what would you say, Richard? Make it red.
Yeah.
One PR accepted.
You don't have to. No PRs accepted.
It's a hot fix. It's okay. It's user impacting. Change to light green to light orange. Red is good. We're sticking with this. Okay. Now on a button press. No, we're gonna do on overlaps. On overlaps. Of kind user with other sprite of kind. Number button.
Number button.
We're gonna see if the A button is pressed. Guys, the calculator is gonna be such a pain. I thought it was gonna be easy.
It's not. It's not gonna be a pain. I've been working it out in my head.
Okay, we'll have current number. Do we have to do the shifting? Do we have to shift it?
All you have to do is multiply by 10 and add the next number. It's not that hard.
I don't want to do this. Okay, fine. We're doing this. Whatever. Fine. Whatever. Current number. Set current number. I'm like, code is math, so it's basically nothing. Lies. Okay, function. We're gonna make a function. We're gonna do set display number, and it's gonna be a number, and it's gonna be called number. And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna be like, okay, first off, what's our digits? We have the array and it's in the order that they're created. Let's just.
So all you gotta do is just keep dividing by 10 and modding it by 10, and that'll give you each digit.
Right? No, I'm saying I mean the display digit. Like, how do we set the sprite's value?
Oh, for the 7 segment?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the array of all sprites.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
what I'm saying is for each digit, you just divide the number by 10 and then do a mod by 10. And that gives you that digit. And then the next one is,
Yeah, I was just saying, like, we gotta set the numbers. And that's gonna be a pain.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
we
cool.
were saying the same thing.
Yeah, we're saying different things, but it's fine. They're both useful things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what are we going to do? Okay, so this is going to be leftmost to the rightmost, and I want, honestly, the reverse of this. So is there a reverse list array?
I think there is a reverse list.
I don't think there is. I'm pretty sure there...
I think there is all the way at the bottom.
Oh, yes!
Yeah.
Yes, excellent. Okay, great. Okay, so then we'll do like a while. And we'll be like, we can change this one. While number is greater than 0. Just throw this one in here. Then we'll set.
Well, actually, you probably just want to do a for loop for all of them, because then the other ones will get set to 0, Because you want to clear all of them, right? Like if I type in 999999999, you don't want to stop when you get to the end of the 9s. You want to do it for however many digits there are.
Oh, so you want to do while the list is existing?
While the list has length.
Yeah, okay, cool. Let's do that. While length of array is bigger than 0, what we're going to do, we're going to set, okay, we're going to get the value at the beginning. We're going to set this one's value to be, and it's going to be our number. And we're going to set the number, can we do this? No, we can't. Can we do this if it's a local variable?
Oh, no, I don't think we let you do that.
Okay,
You'll just
cool.
have to make a temp variable.
Right. Set variable. Okay, number. We are changing number. Is this calculator signed or unsigned? It's not going to be signed. We just have numbers.
I could hear you, unsigned Arduino, putting on your sunglasses when you said that.
Lucas made a calculator in like 10 minutes. Lucas, you should stream. Yeah, that's cool.
How many operations are you thinking of doing on the right hand? Like, are we doing sine, cosine, tangent?
Yeah, we need to do that.
Yeah, we have a big space for it because
it's actually, once we have the ability to do one operation, it's pretty easy to do.
It's just an if, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, these aren't sprites. The 7 seg is not a sprite.
Oh yeah, you're just gonna have to keep a list of them. It's not a big deal. Just take your list and put it up at the.
I can do it. I can do it. I just don't want to. What a pain. Okay, whatever. New variable, display digits. To empty array, we're going to add it to the end. Add what to the end? The value of my digit 2. Display digits. And then we're going to add my digit 2 here. Oh my gosh. And then here we're going to reverse the list after we've added everything for display digits. And then here we're going to remove the reverse so we're not flipping it every time. Even though I'm flipping out. He does stream. One of the longest start blocks I've ever seen in a tiny while, minus the ever. Yeah, maybe we can put those in functions. That'd be good once we do the things. Okay, so then what are we going to do? We're going to do, instead of get list here, we're going to do display digits. Get value at 0.
Oh, and now you probably don't want to do a while loop. You probably want to do a for loop.
What a pain. Okay, whatever. For index from 0. Do I even want to reverse it?
You don't even need an index, though. You can actually just do a for of. Because you're just going to have that number, and then you're going to do dividing by 10. So it'll be fine.
Okay. We'll do this. We'll do this to be display digits. We'll put this in number. We'll set value to be, and then what are we going to do? We're going to set it to be the changing number. So we're going to get the last digit, and since it's in base 10, we can just do the remainder. Probably. Let's just put it in and see. Remainder 10. We don't even have a digit to put this in, right? And then it's going to be changing number. Oops. Come back. I tried to tab to get that block back. Isn't that ridiculous? Okay. We're not changing number mod 10. Then what are we going to do? We need to set the changing number to be the next number. How do we do that? We're going to divide by 10.
I think you want to integer divide.
Integer divide, which is a divide and then a floor.
Yeah, just because I don't know how well, actually there is inside of square root there's integer divide. Just because I don't know how Galen's extension handles.
What's the difference between these two blocks? Oh, these are all the rounding blocks. These are all these are all the functions we're gonna implement. This one changes it, Richard. I found one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry. No, I mean never mind.
Were you
That's
asking
the
about
weird
that
one.
the other day?
No, we were talking about blocks. Never mind.
I'm the one who I wrote this block. I did that a while ago.
Okay. Changing number to be this, and then we continue, and then what's going to happen if this is 0, remainder of this, and then it's going to be 0, so it's fine, probably. Okay, so what are we going to do first? Just for, unity's sake, we're going to set, let's just call set display number and just call it with a bunch of numbers just to see what happens, right? Tester function. We have the power. 1! Nice. Let's try a 1, 2, 3.
That looks good.
Are we pros at coding?
I think so. I mean, yeah, we literally are. But yeah.
Try putting a decimal
True.
place.
We're not doing decimal.
We're not? Oh, okay.
We're not doing decimal yet, Joey. Come on. We can't even put numbers into our calculator yet. Setting us up for failure.
Calculator.
Current number. Throw that in there. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? So if the A button is pressed, we're going to get the number we're adding. Let's just put this into a variable. Number to, what would you call it? Would this be like a push? Push onto the end? Is this a stack?
Do you need that though? Because all you need to do is set current number to current number times 10 plus whatever the digit is. I don't think you need a variable for it.
Just thought it'd be kind of clear because we got to fetch it from sprite data. So then
You're in charge.
We'll just throw this in here. Sprite data, other sprite digit as number. Okay, now what are we gonna do? We're gonna set the current number. Oops. And we're going to basically do the opposite of this. So what is it going to be? Current number 2. Current number times 10 to shift everything over 1. Probably. Times 10 because we are base 10. This is going to be a great place to put in our variable for the base calculator later. Calculator, whatever. And we're going to add number to push onto the end. There we go. This will be okay. We could overlap two things, but we're going to ignore this. What if it could do point slope form? Imagine if I still remember what point slope form was. I would have learned so much.
It's like the lines that's like, y equals mx plus b.
Can somebody add a quarter for me?
Yes. I can do it.
Nice.
I hate this. This
is the first time in a long while.
I don't want to talk about her, Joey.
Yeah, I gotta say.
Did we even get any in December?
So we need to
You're still 15 behind me.
Nice. Okay. So right now we're going this forever. So should we put this in an on button press and then find the thing we're pressing? Or yeah, that might be easier, right? On a button press. Did you guys see what was the issue? Chat and Richard and Joey. Oh wait. The cheesecake's done.
Nice.
Nice.
You need to go stop that from burning down.
No, you ain't got it.
Right.
I delegated. Okay, wait, what am I doing? So we're going to do a for of loop. So for element of, we're going to do array of, is that in here? Array of sprites kind, button, number bouton. Then
Then Arduino would like some cheesecake.
Dude, it's gonna be so good. This is my cousin's cheesecake recipe, and it was really good. And I was like, it's so good that I will ask you for the recipe and do it myself, which is such a pain. I'm never gonna bake cheesecake again unless if it's really good. Then I'm gonna make a Yakult cheesecake.
Do you have a spring mold?
A springform pan?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. They wanted wait, hold on. Let me first figure out what cursor. They wanted a 9-inch springform, and I didn't have that, so I used 2 7-inch ones. So it's better because I get 2 for the price of 1 free cheesecake. What kind is it? It's just basic cheesecake, but I'm very excited to if this goes well. I'm gonna make it like a Yakult one, a matcha one. You know, we're
Did
getting.
you say the Yakult one?
Yakult, like the drink.
Yakult, like the probiotic little yogurt drink.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Not like
No, not like a cult.
sacrificing
No.
animals to
Like-
Well,
drink.
in a way, it is cheesecake.
Yeah, I think it would be pretty good in cheesecake. Okay, great. We have numbers. Now, we have 20 minutes left. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's make some more buttons. Am I right? And you guys in chat, pick your favorite operation of plus, minus, and multiply.
We can really just do a ton of them because once you have one coded, it's just an if statement.
Yeah, but I want to do the favorite one first, you know?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, pick your favorite one.
I feel like times is just the better plus.
Times divided by... We're not doing divided because that might result in decimal, and we're avoiding decimal.
No. We have integer divide. We can use integer divide.
Integer divide? Oh, yes. Okay, it's going to be divided by with a star. You know, and the star is not multiply. It's star, only integers. Just truncate. Okay, let's see. We have a plus and a divide. Let's do plus since okay. We'll do divide. With a star, and I'm gonna put the star in. So we'll make a sprite. And it's gonna be an operator. What kind? Let's do operator. Bouton. We're spelling it wrong again. For consistency, we'll drag this one out.
Consistent.
Wait, what?
You know what else? You know where else consistency is important? Cheesecakes.
True. My cousin was very much like, you got to make sure you don't put too many bubbles in it. Don't whip it too much. But also make sure there's no lumps. I'm like, that seems like a fine line. You know, you can text divided by pressing Alt and / True. And then it doesn't look like the plus sign. I don't have to go really close to chat. But also the divided sign looks pretty cool. Okay, and what are we gonna do? We're just gonna leave it. No, we're gonna make it a new variable. New operator button. And then we're going to set a data on it. Set data to, do we want it to be a string or to a number?
Probably a string, right? Do you think this is a good thing to do as a function?
Oh. To pass in the symbols and stuff?
Yeah. Well, the idea would be that you would pass in like an icon and then whatever the division is, so you don't have to do 2 blocks every time.
I was just going to do one first. Okay, let's make a function. Make new operator. Do a string text, and it's going to be operator. Yeah, sure. Let's put this here. Let's put over this one. Let's put over this one. Let's put this here, and let's do op. And then let's get rid of this, and hopefully TextSprite can handle the divide sign. Let's see. Okay.
Oh, that's a good question. It might. Well, we should try it.
Or we can
It
just
definitely can, but it might go to our big font.
okay, let's just do image and then operator image. Is this worth it? I don't know. Let's call the function right away before we forget. Even though I think we're going to want to do it a different way in the future. We'll do
My plot ruined.
Yeah, was this your plot? Can you explain it to me?
What? To get you to forget to call the function?
Yeah.
You know.
What did you
just
do?
Have you refactor this as a function and then...
Oh, I see. Yeah, true. Oh, yeah, I should be very anti-functions. I knew there was a reason I didn't like this idea. Okay. Okay, and then we'll have the thing, the string operator, then we'll return... Oh, no. Before we do that, we got to set the image, draw the image to the image, this. And then we're gonna have to do this. And then we're gonna grab the image of the sprite right here and put it in to new operator button. Am I too dark to you guys on this chat to stream? Because I feel like it's really dark in this room. Okay, let's just move this a little bit.
Very bright, actually.
Yeah.
Very bright.
Yeah.
Nice. I won't
If the
complain.
room's super dark, then the light from the screen's enough to balance it out.
Nice. Cool. I'm not complaining. Okay, so now what are we doing? We're going to do an on button pressed for element value of, let's just stick this in here, and then let's use operator button. If cursor overlaps with it, then what are we gonna do? Let's clear, first off, let's clear the display number, and let's do 0. Yup. And then let's do how do we decide which digit? We're not even gonna worry about the thing. Okay, let's set variable current operator. Operator. Set current operator to be. Use the sprite data. We have 10 minutes. We're gonna speed this up. Less talking, more coding. That rhymes. Data op as string. Okay, we're gonna set. Okay. We'll do a new variable. Has first digit been set? Question mark. And we'll set that to be false. Then here. Okay.
Are you only going to be able to run this on 2 digits?
And then
Two.
yeah, and then it will just like yeah, we're just gonna run on 2 digits. What's wrong with that? You can have more than 2 numbers.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, generally what you do is you have a rolling number, right? So you have like, you can do like 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, right? And it just remembers what the last one, the end of the last one was.
Okay, sure. So we'll have the current number, and then we'll call the other one,
Like,
rename other number, left.
Background number, the secret number.
Yup. But then how do we know if we have a left number?
Well, it doesn't matter. It starts out as 0.
But what if we try? Okay, sure. Okay, what are we gonna do now? If we click an op number, then we're going to put this to the left. I'm confused. Okay,
wait. So when we press an operator, what we want to do is we want to store it as the current operator. Then they enter another number, right? And so if you click an operator button, if there is a current operator already, then we apply that to the current number and the previous number, right? So if the previous number is 5 and the current number is 7, and then they press plus again, and we have to do the 5 plus 7, so 12, and then we are entering another number.
Okay, so I stopped paying attention after you said if there's already a current operator, because that's what I'm gonna do first. So if there's not a current operator, if it's not equal to empty string, yeah, we'll just set it to be empty string. If there is a current,
well, you don't need to. You can just do equals, right? And then the else case will be there isn't one.
No, but I'm just okay. Yeah, I was just concerned about the empty string part. I don't know. And then we'll set the current operator here. So if there is if it's equal to empty string, that means we're not doing anything. So we're just going to set the left side, which is other number left, to be current number. And then we're going to have another function that's going to be called do math, aka calculator. We're going to have a number that's left, number. We're going to have a string that's operator. We're going to have a thing that's right number. My keyboard is dropping keystrokes. That's okay. Okay. Current number. What is this doing here? So, oh yeah, it's from the copied. Okay. Else, we're going to do math, aka calculator, and then we're going to put current number on the left side. No, it needs to be other number. Current number is on the right side. Other numbers on the left side, because it says left in the name. And then we're going to put in current operator. Are there any operator songs? We have 7 minutes. Oh my gosh. Where did my function go? Here it is. Okay. So if. That was weird.
Smooth operator?
Can you sing it?
No, I don't know.
Smooth operator.
Guys! Wait, are you guys seeing this? Sorry.
What?
When I drag the blocks, it's disappearing.
Oh.
Are you seeing? Wait, can you see this? Is the block
Yeah,
gone?
I saw that.
Okay, cool. Not just me. Great. Okay, so if the op equals, is my paste still? It is still divide. Then we're going to return. Whatever we return. I hate this. We're going to do math. We're going to do an integer divide because it's the thing with the star. Which one is that? It's secretly in
under square root. Yeah.
Integer divide. And it's gonna be, oh my gosh, I hate this. Right number. I'm gonna stream today. Oh my gosh, hype. MakeCode editor lags with very big games. Is there any way to make it not lag as much? Oh, you can close the simulator like that, and also collapse blocks. Does that help? Oh my gosh.
Collapse blocks does help. Also, you can do # light mode equals 1, I think, on the URL.
Okay, we fixed it. It's okay. So then, what are we doing? We called do math. So then why are we doing math? We're going to set the left's other number to be, instead of just being current number, we're going to do the math that we just did. Other number. Current operator. No, it's not current. Yes, it's current operator. Current number. Throw this back over here. And by over here, I mean the trash. Okay, now what are we going to do? We need to clear the display. Oh, we need to set current number. Oh, here, let's throw this down here. Let's set current number. Current number to be 0. Display number, current number. Is that what we want?
Yeah.
No, we wanted to be display number left number. No, let's just do 0, and then when we push the equals.
Yeah. No, you're right. You want to do a display number left number, and then as soon as they press a button, it'll go down to 0. So.
Okay. Display number left. No, other number left. The current number. Okay, and then when they push a button, it will show the current number. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
It'll work fine.
That's okay. Okay. Let's do a classic division, right? What's a classic division? Well, you've got 10 apples, but you've got 2 people. Divided by 2. Then we're just going to click divide again to show 5. That's a calculator.
That is a calculator.
Yes. Let's fix this display situation. Cursor here. Cursor here. Excellent. This will fix it. Let's make an equals. Yeah, let's make an equals button, right? Make new operator. This might be a special situation. Let's see. Let's just see. Equals. That's not an equal sign. This is an equal sign. Let's delete this. Make a new one. Well, the cursor
We
doesn't
could
show.
honestly just do a bunch of them right now because they're pretty easy to do now.
I want to do. Shouldn't we at least do the equal sign? And we have to also return return. Okay. Yeah. Let's see.
Equals is easy though, isn't it? Isn't it just return left, or is it return? Yeah, it's just return the left number.
But then we also have to clear it. I don't know. Well, let's just do equals first. We also have to display it correctly.
Plus, we need to do confetti if we do equals.
Oh, Troy, we do need to do confetti if we do equals. For element of what? For element of. Actually, maybe we don't. It doesn't even matter if we return it or not, because we're gonna go like array of sprites of kind. Operator button. We're going to set what?
Bhutan.
Wait, will you say one more time? I did not hear it either.
Bhutan.
Sorry, Bhutan. I can't believe I stopped to hear that. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do value. Is value? Oh my gosh. Set value. Is this? Yeah, that's fine. Calculator left plus what's the offset's gonna be like 60. This one is going to be 23 still. And instead of 3, we're going to do 1.
Oh, but you need the index variable.
Ah!
No, it's cool. You just set index to 0 before this and just do change index by 1.
Index. Ah! Get out of here then. What are you doing here then? Set index to be 0. Change index by 1. Change index by 1. Change index by 1. Almost out of time. Sad. Okay, there we go. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna do oh my gosh, what's this? We're getting rid of this. That's trash. Okay, do math else if equals. It's just down here that the blocks are disappearing when I'm dragging them. Hate that.
That's weird.
We're gonna return. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. We're going to return left number, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Left number.
And there is one kind of tricky thing.
Mm-hmm.
Which is if you go up to where we're calling this function.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you say set current number to be 0. And if it's equals, you want to set current number to be
left number.
Well, yes, yeah, correct.
Oh, okay. Current if current operator equals. Glad we're almost done with this stream because it's gonna get confusing. Then we'll set left number to be 0. Other number left. Okay, and it's 2:00. So Lucas is starting his stream.
Wait, you
soon.
also wait. You also want to set your current number to be the left number, though, right? Am I wrong?
Yes, you're right. Current number to be left number.
Yeah. Oh, and put this before you set the current operator. Because you're overwriting it.
Mm-hmm.
And then sorry.
Oh yeah,
put
what?
The current number in the else. Yeah.
Oh.
The right below it, there's the set current number to 0. You want to put that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've no idea what the code's doing at this point. Next stream plus, minus, and multiply. Do we?
We could do that in the next stream's first 5 minutes.
Ooh. And then we have to make it a graphing calculator next.
What about this? Yeah. I'm down for graphing calculator. I think graphing calculator is fun. Divided by, okay, what? 6 divided by, oh my God. Guys, I give up. That was a calculator. I have cheesecake. I have cheesecake to eat. But anyway, thanks for joining us. Thanks for doing math with us. TI Graphing Calculator Simulator. You know what? If there's enough hype for calculator, we can keep on doing calculator. But it's going to be like pulling teeth. Anyway, my name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forum. My favorite math operation is circle.
My name's Joey at JWonder on the MakeCode forums. My favorite math operation is arctangent because it really sounds like a villain's name.
I'm Richard. My favorite one is Kosh.
Kosh.
Because it sounds kind of like Koosh, which are those fluffy ball things that were popular in the 90s.
Oh, not like quiche, which is yummy.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, you know what? Hope you guys had a good time, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, Richard, will you say something?